Welcome to PartsFe. The Hobart Mixer A200, a legendary choice for professional kitchens. Now, let's look at the Hobart Mixer series covered by our parts inventory. This includes the A200B1E, A200B3E, A200F1E, and the A200F3E models. The Hobart A200 is a highly versatile mixer. It's a 20-liter model that offers 3 speeds for flexibility. Though compact, it's powerful and can be used as a floor-standing or bench-mounted unit. Best of all, it features a 10-liter adapter for easily handling smaller batches. The Hobart A200 is built to be strong and versatile. We also supply the necessary tools, such as this 20-quart wire whip attachment, perfect for all your aeration needs, from light egg whites to flawless whipped cream. Next is the 20-quart stainless steel mixer bowl itself, a durable and essential component for any mixing task. For heavy-duty mixing, like bread and pizza dough, we feature the 20-quart dough hook. This attachment is essential for kneading large batches. A kitchen staple is the 20-quart flat beater. Use this versatile attachment for mixing batters, mashing potatoes, and creating your standard cookie dough. For specialized tasks, like incorporating fat into flour for perfect crusts and biscuits, we also carry the 20-quart pastry knife attachment. Moving from attachments to critical components, here is the on-off toggle switch replacement. This heavy-duty switch is rated for 30 amps at 600 volts AC, handles 3-phase operation, and features a 3PST6 screw terminal design with 2 3/8 inches mount CTRS. At PartsFe, you'll find all these high-quality Hobart mixer parts and more. We offer a comprehensive inventory, from whips and bowls to internal switches, all at competitive prices and backed by our commitment to same-day shipping to get your kitchen running again fast. At PartsFe, we are your one-stop shop for all your restaurant equipment parts. You can find everything you need by visiting PartsFe.com, and we proudly ship our quality parts across the USA, the UK, and Canada. Finally, be sure to follow us on social media to catch all the latest updates from PartsFe. Thanks for watching.